101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. And yeah, here we go again as usual every Tuesday evening at 7 p.m. We have a very remarkable program with Smart FM Makassar, namely Smart Up Your Life English Discussion with English Communities. So yeah, alright guys, all smart viewers and also smart listeners at home. Of course, I'm here. I'm Novel Mufli and I'm as a host, and absolutely I'm not alone here because we already have friends from various kind of English communities in Makassar. Okay, so yeah, we have them as our special guests for this evening. And anyway, before we are going to discuss and talking about our topic for this evening, maybe we can keep in touch or get to know each other one by one. Maybe we come first to my left side. Please introduce your name, where you come from, and mention your English meeting club.
Okay. Thank you before. My name is Abdul Munir, but mostly people just call me Munir.
Okay.
And now I'm still a student of Aladdin State University of Makassar, or it's called UIN.
Oh yeah.
And I'm from Equinsa.
Okay. So what about the schedule of Equinsa?
Actually, there are many schedule of Equinsa, but the most famous is what we say English weekend, because it's done in every week, even
every weekend.
Yeah, even in UIN, because that the background of Equinsa was born in UIN, even though there is not.
Yeah, absolutely.
And even also the in Shelter, it's on English weekend, and it's for not only Equinsa's member but all of people who won't join.
Okay, so feel free to join in Equinsa.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you, Kak Munir.
Yeah.
We move to the next side. The one and only.
Yeah. Okay. What is your question, please?
Yes, please mention what is your name and
Okay.
where you come from.
Smart viewers and listeners at home, I'm here as a speaker. Yeah, not a host. Okay. My name is Saril Diar, but you can call me Kak Dias or Kak Saril. And this special evening, I am representative of Max.
Max.
Yes.
What stand for?
Max. I will tell you. Whatever Max. But the most important is Max actually have a frequently activity in a week, 3 times in a week.
3 times in a week.
Yeah, 3 times in a week. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. at Pelataran Masjid Al Markas.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, you know Masjid Al Markas.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay, so come join with us because free of charge.
Free of charge.
Yeah,
so
and for more
free to
details,
join.
you can follow the Instagram Max Al Makassar.
MAKE.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Kak Dias. And yeah, we move to my right side.
Oh, okay. Okay, smart listeners. My name is Ahmad Aryandi. You can call me Rian. I'm a representative of KMC.
What does it stand for?
Yeah, KMC stand for Cafe English Meeting Club Indonesia.
Oh, wow.
And about the place, we have 2 places. Sometimes in Pinisi Unem. And sometimes in Jalan Adiaksa.
Jalan Adiaksa.
Yes.
Okay.
And about the schedule is depend on the committee.
It's depend on the committee.
Yes.
Flexible time.
Yes.
To study, and is it free of charge?
Yeah, free of charge.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Kak Rian.
Okay.
We move to the next side. Please mention what is your name, introduce your name, and where you come from. What is your English meeting club?
Okay. My name is Rahmat Ramadan, and you can call me Rahmat.
Hello, Kak Rahmat. Hi.
I'm from BPC.
BPEC. Okay. What does it stand for?
Benteng Panjuna English Club. Okay.
Yeah. Where's located? Where do you study?
I'm study at Boswa University.
I mean, like, where the member of BPEC study?
Mm, in Benteng Rotterdam, in building G.
Oh, in building G in Fort Rotterdam.
For Rotterdam.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so yeah, because our guests already introduced themselves for tonight, so without any further ado, let's begin our topic. Or maybe we can make applause first for us. Okay, guys. Yeah, talking about music. Yeah, we already know like the king of pop, Michael Jackson, as the legend in music industry. And yeah, absolutely. Nowadays, we definitely know a lot of singers like Bruno Mars. We know Nicki Minaj. We know Maroon 5 and Coldplay. Coldplay. Yeah, we know all of them because all of them are the example of the international singing icon, right? In Indonesia, we know nowadays Tiara Andini, Nadine Amiza, Nadine Amiza, and also we know Pamungkas, we know Aldi Taher. Aldi Taher, yeah, that's the icon too. Yeah, and so on. And in the past, we know Roma Irama, we know Ebit J. Ade. And also Didi Kempot in Java, Ridwan Sao in Makassar. Okay, so yeah, smart viewers and also smart listeners at home. In this episode, we are going to discuss and talking about popular icon of music. Are you ready, guys? Ready. Okay, so we move to the question. My first question is about what is your reaction when you already hear and know about the topic? We maybe Kadias will be the first speaker of this question.
Always be the first. My
Yeah,
God, thank you.
absolutely.
Yeah. Oh wow, I'm very excited about this topic. Because I like music. This is one of my favorite thing in my life. I listen all of genre of music.
Wow,
All
so
of them.
flexible.
Yes, local, national, international, ethnic, modern,
Wow.
Western, Eastern, all of them. I'm very
All
like it.
genre of music.
All Arabic, India, Korean,
Wow.
Malay, ethnic like
Yeah.
Java, Beijingese, Makassar, West song like English and Bahasa also.
Yeah. I know like do you know one of Indian music Bollywood?
One of Indian music actually. I like only like every back song of the movie,
Oh,
something
yeah.
like that.
Like a famous movie,
Yeah,
Bollywood movie.
yeah, like kuch kuch hai tadil to pagil hai kuch
The one of
chaya
famous.
chaya
Chaya Chaya.
son, yeah.
Chaya Chaya.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, Bripto Norman.
Exactly.
Bripto
Yeah,
Norman.
yeah, exactly. And so
Huh?
on actually, and also others country.
Our country.
Yeah.
Like Western music. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Kadias. We move
Yeah.
to Kak Munir.
Anytime.
Yeah. Can you please? I want to know what is your reaction when you know about the topic for this evening. Like, do you feel interesting or something like that?
Yeah, of course, because I think no one doesn't like music, right?
Yeah. I agree.
Yeah, I agree. But actually, I'm typical person who is not addicted to the music, but I like it. I like it.
You
That's
like
why
to
I
listening
just,
to music.
yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's why I just like I just know several singer in the music because I just know like Adele,
Dell.
yeah. Even the pronoun I don't know because
Yeah.
fun fact for me, I just one song I remember until now. The lyric, only one song.
Wow, what is that?
Maybe Saat Terakhir is the Oktober.
12.
Yeah, I don't know. I cannot put myself whom I am because I like music, but
You
about the lyric,
didn't
I don't-
remember the lyric.
Even the singer.
Oh, that's fun fact. Yeah,
it's
that's
fun
really
for
really
me.
fun fact about.
Yeah,
You just like the instrument. You like the music, not the lyric. You just like the instrument of the music or the sound.
Yeah, yeah,
You like that.
yeah, I like it.
Okay. I understand what to you.
What I feel. Yeah. Before you talk about the singer, I don't know.
Wow. But yeah, we take this topic because all of the singers is popular. We know like in the platform digital radio platform, like sometimes Jukes or Spotify, we look the popular musician and also their songs. Okay. Maybe keep your statement and we move to my right side, Kak Rian. So, what is your reaction about this topic?
Okay, my reaction is, about the music. Yeah, we know that we know music since we were born in this world.
Yeah.
Because because we were born. Our parents always sing a song, Nina Bobo or
Cicak-cicak di
cicak di
dinding.
dinding.
Lizard in the wall. How to say cicak in English?
Yeah, our parents always how to say singing us the song, and also I know the local music when I was a kindergarten.
Wow.
Yes.
What kind of music? Who is the icon?
Like Trio Kwek Kwek.
Wow, yeah. I remember that.
Agnes Mo.
Agnes Mo when she was young.
When she was young.
Okay.
When she was a child.
Yeah, because
and also Enolerian. Yeah, like that. Yes. Yeah, until now we love to listen to music.
Okay.
Yes.
What kind of song that you like? I mean, like genre.
Yeah, I like all of the song, but the most I like is pop.
Pop music.
Yeah, pop music.
Do you like Indian music like Kak Dias?
Sometimes.
it depends to the lyric or the sound or the music.
Yes.
Right, the instrument.
Yes.
Okay, like
Oh.
Cupuke. Indian music, Bollywood music.
Yeah.
Okay, we nostalgic for a while.
Yes.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
Karian.
thank
Keep
you.
your statement and we move to Kak Rahmat.
Okay, thank you. Actually, I really like to listen music because if I wanna work something, usually I
Listen to music.
I often listen to music and then because
To make you more enjoy in your work. Eh?
Yes, of
Enjoy and
course.
feel free.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
but since I was a kid, I often listen music with my mother
With
and
your-
my father.
oh.
Yeah,
You like to sing a song with your mother,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
When you're child,
Yeah.
you often listen to
Until now,
until now. Oh yeah,
I
that's great.
really like listen music.
Listen to music. And what kind of music do you most likely to listen?
Oh, many topic.
Many genre.
Um,
Pop music maybe or local music.
Yeah, international. Bollywood like
Bollywood like Diaz again.
yes, about
yeah.
about the song. What to say, Barat?
Western
Yeah,
Western music. Yeah, international music.
English.
English music.
Yes.
Yeah, so you like to listen to English music.
Yeah, sure. I like.
So because we have to learn English in music,
Yeah.
right? Okay, that's great.
one of
Okay.
the study of English is listen to music.
Listen to music. That's one of the way
Yeah.
to learn English.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Kak Rahmat.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so my next question. This is just a little bit more difficult to say. Like, do you have some story about you when you listening to music? I mean, like, do you have a fun story or maybe when you listen to music you feel sad or something like that. Maybe Kak Munir for the first to answer my question. Yeah, the question is like, do you have some story? Do you feel like sad when you listening to music, or do you have a fun experience when you listening to music?
Yeah, actually, my experience when I was listening music depends on what music I listen.
Wow.
Actually, if the set music, it means my mood, my feeling.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, automatically be set also.
Become sad.
Yeah, if metal, yeah,
Metal.
yeah,
Rock.
dangdut also.
So you feel want to dance
Yeah,
when you're listening to dangdut.
it's point the depends on the music.
Mhm.
What music I listen.
So do you feel happy when you're listening to like mood booster lyrics?
But actually, maybe I like more like set music.
Oh, so you are more likely to listening
Yeah.
sad music.
But just now I got information that set music can make someone down the mental.
Oh yeah.
According to the research
Mm-mm.
from the internet.
Wow. So
That's why
so
I
you
consider
made a
myself
research.
I need to move
Uh-huh.
to maybe happy music or
Mm-mm.
fun music.
Oh yeah. So you have to move to happy music, so you don't get sad every time.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Kak Munir. Keep your statement, and we move to Kak Rian. Okay. So do you have some story when you're listening to music?
Yeah, I have a story with yeah with if I feel sad, I tell my music into the sad song.
Yeah.
When I happy, I tell my music into the happy song.
Oh, so it depends. What are you feeling?
Yeah, what my feeling?
No, not the song. Depends to your mood.
And yeah, depends on my mood. Yeah, if I feel sad,
Different.
if I feel sad, I
Play
I
sad song.
play sad song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What kind of song, like sad song, do you listen?
Okay. If I feel sad, I play the music of Coldplay, Fix
Wow,
You.
Coldplay, Fix
Yeah,
You.
yes.
Yeah.
I was crying because I don't know. No.
Yeah, because it's too.
Yeah, because at the time I try my best and I failed, so
Oh, fail.
I listen.
Just listen in the
Yeah,
home.
listen.
Just listen
And
in
I
the
was
home.
cry at the time.
Wow,
Yeah.
when you listening
Yeah,
Coldplay.
because I don't know the meaning.
That's the fun fact.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Karian.
Thank you.
We move to Karamat. Do you have some story when you listening to music?
Yeah, actually, I
Yeah. Do you feel happy when you listening to music?
yeah, of course, because actually, if I want to go to the campus, I often listen music with how to say headset.
Yeah.
With your
Yeah.
earphone.
Listening with
Yeah.
your earphone. Yeah.
Yeah,
Your earphone
and also I often to watch movie in YouTube, and I always watch music in YouTube. Yeah.
Watch music in YouTube.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
in Spotify, no. Jokes.
Yeah, I have Spotify too. Yeah.
But there is advertisement. There's ad. Yeah. YouTube also have advertisement, but you prefer to listening in Spotify.
Yeah.
Okay. Like me, when I feel bored in the road, yeah. No, I mean like I play my music like so panjang jalan ke nostalgic music.
Indonesia song.
Yeah, I like nostalgic music for one. The old music. Okay, thank you Kak Rahmat.
Okay,
And we move to Kak Dias. Do you have some maybe yeah? Yeah. Do you tell us some story when you're listening to music?
Yeah, actually, I don't have a special experience about music because I like all of the genre. I like most of the genre I like. But I use the song as my technique to get a mood booster.
Wow, yeah.
For example, when I get down, when I don't have motivation or less motivation, I turn on the beat music.
Beat music.
Yeah, to stimulate my energy, my feeling to growth, to recover my motivation. But when I want to perform, especially for example, when I want to
when you want to work,
prepare to MC, like how to say. How do I recall about it? I'm forget. How to say when the wedding? How to say bersimpuh? How to say in bahasa? I forget.
Yeah,
I forget. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah. Before that, I listen the sad music.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, because I will get the feeling when I try to present them to do that. You know what I mean, right?
Yeah, because it's very, how to say, sacral.
It's deep. Yeah, sacral. Yeah, sacral. And etc. So I use this music, this instrument as a technique or strategy to make maximizing my works and my daily, something like that.
Okay, so you use this music to booster your mood before you perform.
And when I want to prepare to sleep, instruments also, but murattal, I listen before I sleep and until sleep, something like that. So when we talk about special story, there is no special story, but I just use this for the style, for the strategy to make maximizing my works and my daily, something like that.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Kadias. And
Yes.
I remember about wedding instrument like Keniji. How the instrument? Okay, okay. So yeah, all the speakers, smart viewers, and also smart listeners at home. Maybe we have to break first, and we will be right back in 11.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. 11.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. We are back again, and yeah, we move to my next question. This is the main question, of course. I just want to know, who is your popular idol or popular icon of music? And yeah, you can tell me what can make you like the icon. Is it because like the voice, or maybe they have good looking, they handsome, or they are beautiful? Yeah. Maybe Kak Munir for the first speaker to answer my question. Who is your popular idol? And yeah, just explain how do you like that icon? How you like that?
Okay. Should I choose one or?
You the most favorite
Actually,
musician.
I wanna tell you about my typical person. I like music. Maybe it's about my mistake for music. If I like music, I don't consider who is the singer.
Yeah.
Who is the singer? Who is the singer? If I consider just maybe I like the music because one person, a singer, maybe I just like because of the voice. It's not about the attitude, about it.
About the personality.
Yeah, in English music. Western. Is that Adele?
Yeah. Adele.
Yeah, I like it because her voice.
Yeah.
It's not about attitude.
It's not about good looking.
Because for liking music for me, I relating to the background of the singer. I just consider how beautiful the voice. Yeah, she has.
Okay, she has the beautiful voice.
Yeah,
that you like.
Voice.
Okay, so maybe we have the same in common. I mean, like, I also don't have one popular icon that I most favorite, that I like, because I listen to music because I like the music at all.
I like the music.
Yeah.
You like the music.
I like the instrument. I like because same with Kak Diaz. I also like all of the genre. I save a lot of song in my Spotify. All the genre, pop music, dangdut music, nostalgic music, and also Western music, and any else, Bollywood music, Indian music. I mean,
yeah. That's why I consider myself that don't have one icon music, because for me,
you just
even
enjoy
though
it.
how beautiful the music, but if I always listen, we will get bored. If we
I understand.
get bored, it means the one music will not be we will not like again, because
we are
maybe,
bored to listening.
in the future maybe we will miss again. That's why we will listen.
So that's why you don't remember all the lyrics of the music that you like. Okay, I understand. So keep your statement. We move to Kak Diaz.
Thank you.
So Kak Diaz, who is your popular idol? Who is your popular
Actually, there
icon?
is no special. There's a specific. I mean, because I love a lot of popular icon in every or representative
every
of the
genre.
genre, something like that. For example, like
in pop music,
in R&B, for example, I like this Tiny Child. I like One Direction.
One Direction.
Yes. In dangdut, I like Roma Irama, Eri Susan, Lesti.
Elvi Sukaisi.
No, Lesti, Roma Irama, Eri Susan. And in the pop, I like Iwan Fals, I like Afghan, I like Idol, Indonesian Idol, like Leodra, Judika Anggun, Agnes Mo. In Malay, I like Siti Nurhaliza, something like that.
City.
Yeah, in Arabic, I like Nancy Ajram. In K-pop, I like Super Junior. Suju, BTS. In my local, like Ridwan Sao, Iwan Tompo, Angela Ricci.
That's the most famous.
In Java, like Soima and Didi Kempot. In jazz, I like like Maharani. Maharani, it's different. And also the sister of Purwacharaka, I forget. Oh my god. I like them. And every like in boy band, Westlife also. Simple Plan in the old.
Old music.
To my life. In reggae, Stephen Coconut Trees, and etc.
That's a good reference of music that Kak Diaz have.
I like all of the genres as I mentioned just now.
So we have to maybe get the recommendation when we want to listen to music for Kak Diaz.
Dangdut is the music of my country.
My country. Project Pop. Okay. Thank you, Kak Diaz. Give your statement and we move to Kak Rian.
Okay. Actually, I have popular idol in from the past and from now.
Okay.
And from now.
So you decide to into the point.
From the past, I like Westlife. Yes. In international, in Indonesia. In Indonesia,
in the past,
in the past, because I like Trio Kwek Kwek when I was child. Yes, like that. Yes, and from now,
do you have the VCD at that time?
Yes, VCD and cassette.
Yeah, we play it every morning,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
We have the
Yeah, we
same.
always play it before we go to school.
We have the same story.
Yeah.
Before we are going to school, we play the VCD.
The VCD. Yes.
Katanya. Okay, and nowadays,
in national, I like Liodra,
Yeah, wow.
Keisha.
she has beautiful voice.
Yeah, Keisha Lefronka,
Yeah.
Tiara Andini,
Yeah.
Siva Magnolia.
Yeah. Wow. That's great.
Yeah, for international,
International?
maybe,
Yeah, just one.
maybe.
You have a lot of reference
yeah,
of singer.
maybe Linkin Park.
Wow,
Yes.
Linkin Park.
Nam.
No. No.
Like this Nam.
No, that's 6, not no. Okay.
But Indonesia is a Nam.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Karian.
thank you.
We move to Kak Rahmat. Who is your popular idol of music?
Yeah. I like listening music about the police.
Wow, yeah.
The topic song is
Title of
Yeah.
every breath you take. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Can you sing? Yeah.
Every breath you take.
Wow.
Oh, I forgot.
Okay. So what's next? Do you have another popular idol? Popular
I
icon?
don't know about,
Do you know the name?
but
you-
I know about the
The,
topic.
the title of
Yeah,
the
the title.
song.
Yeah.
the title of the song?
Here's your perfect.
Wow, you're perfect as you're perfect.
Yeah. Here's your perfect.
Who sing that song?
I forget. But I don't know. But I know the lyric.
Is it the Western music?
Yeah, Western.
Western music.
Western.
Oh, yeah. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
How about the national?
No.
Oh,
I like listening
Western music.
music. Oh, only
English
Western.
English music. Yeah.
English music.
Yeah.
So, do you have some reference in national music? You know, local music.
Yeah.
Indonesian singer.
No.
No.
No? Wow. I feel astonished. Saya terkejut.
You are Indonesian, but
But they don't have reference.
English music.
Huh?
English just English music. I
What is
like.
that? Oh, Pinoy. Pinoy music. Yeah, okay. So keep your statement, Karama. Thank you. And yeah, we move to my next question. Like, I want to ask you: do you like the song that sing by the original singer, or do you prefer to listening to the music that cover from another person that even not as famous as the original singer?
yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Do you know? Okay, so maybe Kak Rian for the first speaker.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you prefer to listening the original singer or the cover singer?
Sometimes I like the cover. Sometimes I like the original. So yeah, the original song is good, but the
Cover.
person that covered that song is really good really good than the original song.
Oh, so you mean like
Like a bad liar.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I
You prefer to listen?
I prefer to listen the cover of that song.
Oh, yeah. Because yeah, we know a lot of singer that
Yeah.
covered that song.
Yeah, because at the time, the singer is very popular than the original. The original is in the artist of the original is Imagine Dragon, but the cover I forgot the name, but
Yeah. They are most likely in the YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, you prefer the cover person.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah. Sometimes the cover, sometimes the original.
Decide when the song is not
Yeah.
good. The original singer is not good
It's not good.
to bring that song.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Karian.
Yes,
We
thank
move
you.
to Kak Rahmat. Okay, so do you like to listen original singer or the cover singer?
Actually, I like to listen mix apa? How to say
Remix.
campur. Mix mix song.
Mix song, oh yeah.
Yeah. Some
Cover and original.
sometime
Which one do you prefer?
Indonesian song and English song. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean like when Michael Jackson has the song like Black or White.
Yeah,
Black or White.
someone cover it.
But someone else cover that song, not Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
What do you prefer, Michael Jackson?
But same.
Yeah. Michael Jackson or the other person that sing that song? Who do you prefer, Michael Jackson or the other person?
Oh, I don't know, but
So you confused about it?
yeah, actually, I just listen listen
Just listen to music.
Yeah, I don't
so
know about
the singer. You don't know about the singer who sing that song.
yeah.
Okay.
You don't know about is that a cover or original?
So you don't know that's original song.
Yeah,
That's the cover
original.
song.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's a
Oh, okay. Thank you, Karamat. Thank you for your argument. We move to Kak Munir. So, do you prefer to listen in original song
Yeah, it's
from the original singer?
cover music, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's the phenomenon now
Yeah.
because on YouTube there are many people who sing a song by covering.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean this vintage in our future we will have a few choices in
Yeah.
new music because the singer just people just struggling to how to cover music.
Yeah.
They don't struggle how to create a lyric instrument for making new music.
Yeah.
Just cover because covering music many people also like it. Yeah, for me no one is better, no one is worse. Original music and covering music, for me they are different. They are different in the same way for making the beautiful result.
The beautiful.
Yeah. But about my experience, actually, for me covering music is simple. It's more simple. I mean, Felix said just play
Felix.
guitar.
That's viral.
Just play guitar. I'm gonna ask you firstly, why we listen music? If you look someone listen music silent voice, it means he or she tries to understand the lyric, try to accept the
meaning,
the instrument.
Yeah.
But if they or she or he listen music while singing also, it means they try to enter as a singer.
Yeah,
even though they don't care about how bad their voice.
I
know what I mean?
I understand. I understand.
Why people people like cover music? Because cover music is simple and people imagine easily to enter as a singer. It's different. It's harder than listen music in maybe the original, because original we need like guitar or what's that, bass,
drum.
Yeah, so it's harder to imagine.
Yeah.
It's
true.
about my perspective.
Okay, thank you, Kamu. Keep your
Okay.
statement, and we move to Kak Dias. So do you like
Which one is better?
Which one is better? Do you choose the original singer or the cover?
Actually, similar with Ryan. It's Ryan, right?
Ryan.
Yes, Ryan. It's depend on the about them. Which one is better? Which one is the give good taste? That's the people are like. I mean, like it's depend.
Yeah.
So sometimes
how they bring that music.
Yeah, sometimes the original is more sometimes it's covering.
Yeah.
And talking about the cover, there are two style the cover. For example, the first is only like alat seadanya, and the second is a concert.
Yeah,
Like the
concert.
competition, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes in the competition,
In some event.
yeah, event like the competition, like talent search on Indonesia, the pop and dangdut. Sometimes they succeed to bring that song is a more grande, more grateful, more amazing than original, and sometimes not all at all. Sometimes, so it's depend on the execution actually of the cover and the original. But it's depend. So I like actually both of them. It's depend of the execution.
How they can bring that song.
Yeah. But especially for dangdut, dangdut is very unique because dangdut nowadays a lot of genre inside dangdut can mixing in another talent search on one of a station TV in on Indonesia, like they how to say, they make improvisation, big improvisation, how to insert R&B, jazz, swing,
the other
funk,
genre,
electronic, Malay, Arabic, Hindi, tango,
and include in the dangdut style.
Something like that. And I like the result, especially for dangdut, because it's more grande, it's a more powerful and amazing. But also in like a pop, like Indonesian Idol, it's amazing, because our music industry is already forward than other country. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Gadias. And so my last question, I asked to all of you, like, do you have some conclusion for our topic for this evening? Maybe you can make all smart viewers and also smart listeners at home can listen to music. Do you have some recommendation or something else? Yeah, just conclude about the topic for tonight. Maybe Karian. Karian said, "Why always me?"
Yeah, in my heart.
Okay, please.
Okay. About my conclusion, if you want to hear the music, just hear it whatever you like, and whatever your mood, your mood, and you have to listen to the music because. Our mood booster is a music.
One of them is a music.
Yeah, one of them is a music.
Okay, thank you, Karian. We move to Karahmat.
Yeah, okay. My conclusion is if people want to
listen in music,
we can make happy.
Yeah, that's true.
And if someone
want to listen in music,
and if someone
like you, there is nothing. Okay, so you want to the viewers to listen Western music, so because you like Western music, right?
Yeah, I.
So maybe you can you can tell the viewers and listeners at home what music do you like the title, I mean the title of music. You can tell the viewers.
You can tell
your favorite.
My favorite song is Where's My Love.
Where's My Love? Wow.
The
So guys, listen, Where's My Love? Listen in Spotify, right?
Yeah, Spotify.
Okay. Where's My Love? Where's My Love? Okay, guys, so listen, Where's My Love in Spotify, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Karamat. And we move to Kak Diaz. The conclusion, yes. conclusion.
There is no restriction or limitation about how to choose which one you choose your popular icon of music.
Yeah, that's right.
Why? Because music is a universal language in all of the world. There is no limitation. We don't know about the time, about the dimension of a space and the time. So
Time
you
by
can
time.
choose. You can choose which one you like. K-pop, dangdut, Western, Eastern, Arabic, Hindi, and everything. And because music is our right as a human, and
human
music is our art, and all of people like music.
can enjoy the music.
Yeah.
But can we invite all the people to like the music that we like?
Yeah. Smart viewers and listeners at home, of course, you have a different also like taste about the music. Let's priority our music, special for Indonesia, because our industry in music Indonesia can make growth.
Can develop.
Industry can develop. So always listen Indonesian music, and the second is Western music.
Okay, thank you Kak Dias for the suggestion.
Welcome.
We move to Kak Munir, the last speaker for this evening.
Conclusion.
Yeah.
I think music is a tool for making us better, because example, people want to study English, and they need music also for improving the listening. So I think music is one of the way to make people famous also in the world, in the world now. Besides footballer, player, and the singer is the second famous. I mean,
the second famous.
Yeah.
After football.
Football player. Yeah. I mean, music also can make what we say society be famous or
that's right.
because of music. And music needs talent about
that skill.
The skill. It's not about you need to study. How hard you study, but if you don't have good voice,
because music is all about the skill. Right. Okay, thank you Kak Munir, and that's the end of the discussion for tonight. Thank you for coming, guys. Kak Rahmat, Kak Rian, Kak Dias, and also Kak Munir. And I invite to all of the smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, stay tuned and don't forget every Tuesday evening at 7 p.m. We on air in 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Thank you. Goodbye.